Do you ever find yourself waiting around or maybe riding the train or the bus and wish you could make more productive use of your time? Learn how to turn those idle moments into networking gold by using ChatGPT to craft personalized LinkedIn connection notes in just a few taps using your phone. My name is Andy O'Neill and I help entrepreneurs like you add automation to their business. So I'm going to show you how to boost your LinkedIn networking game with this quick and effective method of creating custom connection notes. I'll show you how to take screenshots of LinkedIn profiles right from your phone and upload them to the ChatGPT app on your phone to generate tailored notes. This is a perfect activity when you find yourself sitting around doing nothing and just mindlessly scrolling on your phone. All right, so I've got my phone up here on the screen and I've done a custom search in LinkedIn. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you're going to have to search for something, and I'm going to search for director. LinkedIn makes this a little bit difficult to do on the mobile app for some reason. Don't ask me why. If you know of an easier way to get to this, let me know. So you're going to click on people, and now we have this people search filter here. So I'm going to click on second and third. This is going to bring up, and then I'm going to click on all filters here. And what I want to do is I want to connect with people who are following me on LinkedIn. So I'm going to type Andy O'Neill. Followers of Andy O'Neill. There we go. Okay, so now I've got this director thing up here, and I'm just going to click up there, backspace, and hit search again. And now I have 283 results. Some of these are already done, so I'm going to scroll down because I've been waiting on my kids at the gym. That's where I came up with this neat idea for making connections. So I've got down here, and you can see the little person with the plus. That means I can connect to this person. So I'm going to tap on their profile and go to their profile page. And what I really want to find is somebody that has some about information. And this is okay. So I'm going to center it right there. What I'm doing is I'm trying to center as much content on the screen as possible. And then I'm going to take a screenshot. Then I purposefully only have 2 apps open on my phone, which means I can just hit this button twice and it switches apps. Now I'm on an Android. I haven't used an iPhone for a while, but I think there's a keyboard shortcut or a tappy thing you can do that'll do the same thing. So I'm over here in my ChatGPT app on my phone. So I'm going to click over here, go right down here, and I have created a custom LinkedIn introduction GPT in my account. If you want the prompt for this, you can head over to my Make Automation community, and all the details are in there. You'll also be able to find some great people in there that are learning to use Make.com. And if you want to be one of those, I would encourage you to join that community. So all I have to do here is I have to click this little image button. And then right up here at the top left is going to be my most recent screenshot. I'm going to hit add. I'm going to let it upload, and then I'm going to hit the up button, and I'm just going to wait. I have a custom prompt in here that is going to read this. Look how fast it read that. It's already cranking out a prompt. It's going to read the information off the image and give me a prompt. And I'm going to click and hold and hit copy. I'm going to flip back over to my other app. And I'm going to click right over here, these 3 dots. And then I want to go down here, and you want to click personalized invite. And right here, and then right above my keyboard, I actually can tap and it'll paste that in there. ChatGPT will put a couple extra line breaks in there that you could take those out, or you can leave them either way. Impressed while you're working, control theory, I mean, this is really good. Way better than I could do. So I'm going to hit connect. All right. So we're going to go through that again, and so what I want to do, you'll notice I'm on kind of the wrong page for my search. So I'm going to hit the back button twice, and now I'm back to where I started. So I have Kara P here, and so I just hit 6 minutes on my video. I'm going to time this and see how long it takes. All right, so I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to expand the about section. Oh, there's some good stuff there. I think I'll do this. So I'm going to take a screenshot. Go back over to GPT, and click on the image. Tap that, upload it to ChatGPT, upload. It's going to work. We're 31 seconds into this, Here we go. Impressed by your expertise in SaaS. Yep, awesome. I'm gonna hold my finger on that and hit copy. I'm gonna go back over here, go right up here, personalize invite, paste, and connect. 56 seconds. Okay, 56 seconds to do one of these. So if you're sitting around waiting on your kids for an hour or hour and a half doing activities, or riding the train or riding the bus, whatever you're doing, obviously you could do your daily connections with people on LinkedIn in an hour easily. So this is just a little hack that I kind of ran across waiting on my kids. And I wrote that custom GPT. If you use the regular GPT, it puts an introduction that says, hey, here's your introduction. And it puts the introduction and then puts some other text. I wrote a custom GPT because I wanted this to just give me text that I could push and copy. That way there was less cleaning up and highlighting and copying and pasting and that kind of thing. Everybody's on their phones when they're at the gym. When I take my kids to gymnastics, everybody's on their phones. But are they connecting to people on LinkedIn, or are they scrolling their life away? I hope you enjoyed this video. Head on over and check out my community if you're interested in Make.com automation. I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.